Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very simple, very quick, and very easy dinner. I'm going to be using up some of the food I have right now in my pantry and my kitchen. And as you can see right now, we're starting with some rotisserie chicken that's already cooked. I'm just chopping it up into bite-sized pieces. And this right here is the majority of the work you're going to have to do for this recipe. So if you want a quick and easy dinner idea, come along with me and let's put this quick dish together. So I found this can in my pantry. This is Ragu's roasted garlic Parmesan sauce. So we're going to use some of that too. We have some broccoli we need to use up. So I already have these broccolis washed and dried. And also we have the last of the mozzarella cheese. So let's use that up also. I'm going to be using this pan. This is a 9x9. Let's get it sprayed. Now I just want to line the bottom of my pan with some broccoli. I also made them not too big of pieces, but kind of bite-sized pieces, a little bit big, but that way they could stay nice and crunchy and not be so soggy. And I'm just filling out the whole bottom of the pan because we have lots of broccoli to use up, so this is a way we're gonna use it up and actually eat it. Now let's add our chopped cooked chicken on top of all the broccoli. And I love that this recipe is so versatile. You could add as much or as little bit as the chicken or broccoli that you like. If you like more broccoli, add more. If you like not as much, you could always add less. And the same goes with the chicken. As I was going through my pantry, I also found this salt that I used to use a long time ago. Haven't used in a while. But also, I'm not just going to throw it away. I'm going to use it up. So I'm adding some to the chicken and broccoli. Also adding some black pepper. And also this seasoning that I found I have more than one bottle of. So I'm going to use this one up since I already have a backup that I didn't know I had because I hadn't gone through my pantry. But now that I did, now I know not to buy another one. I'm adding some onion powder. And I would add garlic powder also, but I don't have any. I ran out, so I gotta get some of that soon. You can add whatever seasoning is best for your chicken that you like. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this whole jar of sauce to cover all the chicken and broccoli. I like to get as much out of the sauce as I can, so I add a little bit of milk to the jar, shake it up, and add it also to the pan. I probably only added about a quarter to a half a cup of milk, but I would recommend just a little bit more, maybe another quarter to half cup more of milk. Now let's go ahead and top this all off with the cheese. The good part, right? Now we're going to cover the pan with some foil. I like to spray it with some of this non-stick spray. That way the cheese doesn't stick to it when I take it off the pan. And I put mine in the oven for 30 minutes on 375 degrees. Then I took off the foil and put it for another 10 minutes. Guys, I forgot I was thinking of adding some pasta to the dish, but I guess that's better because I kind of wanted it low carb dish. But for those who want carbs, you could add some pasta, and this is what I have in my pantry. So this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna add some of this once the water gets boiling, and I'll cook that. And then we could add it to the pasta, to the broccoli and chicken bake once it's all done. So whoever wants pasta could have their pasta, and whoever doesn't need to. Here's how it came out, guys. Nice and creamy. There's some sauce on every part of the chicken and broccoli. It's not dry at all. It's really good and creamy. Now here's the pasta I cooked. It's done. We're going to go ahead and serve this plate up with pasta. As I said earlier, if you want low carb, you could just serve yourself out of the pan the way we cooked it. And if the carbs don't matter, go ahead and add it with the pasta. There's also some low carb pastas, but I don't have any right now, so this is what we're using for the kids. This is what they love, and they're going to have some of this. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have tried one of this broccoli and chicken casseroles before. What do you like to add to yours? Do you add a carb or do you leave it low carb? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can see more easy meal ideas. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.